Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to upload a video on YouTube, and this is actually very simple. At first, what you need to do is click on your profile icon, and then you want to go to YouTube Studio. From there, what you want to do is either on dashboard, you need to click upload videos, click on select files, and then go where your video is saved. Click on the video that you want to upload. From here, what you want to do is give it a name. Hey, let's say you want to put in a description. You need to choose if it is made for kids or not made for kids. Then click on next. Do you want to add any sort of end screen or cards? If yes, then do it. If no, then click on next, and they'll check if your video has any uh copyright issue, and then click on next. From there, if you want to directly make it public, just click on public or else unlisted or private, and then click on save. And then as you can see, this is loading, and if I go to content, this is the video, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.